Did you know that you can make healthier candied walnuts in the air fryer? It's so fast and easy. I was actually so surprised how good these turned out. They're perfect to put on top of your salads, your bowls, or just have as a delicious little snack, and they are made sweet with maple syrup, so they're a little bit healthier. So first, we're going to remove that basket from the air fryer, and we're just going to be using the bottom of the nonstick part there. If you have a different type of air fryer, you might have to use parchment paper. I'm going to add in 1 cup of chopped walnuts just directly into the bin of my air fryer, a dash of salt because a little bit of salt really brings out the delicious sweetness. And then I was trying this out. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. This is very hectic. I do have a tripod, I just didn't use it because I didn't know if this was going to turn out. I promise the video is going to get better in a second here, and I'm not going to be flailing my camera all over the place, but I wanted to add some hot chili powder to it, and if you like spicy, you're going to love this. Definitely add some hot chili powder or cayenne powder to taste. If you don't like spicy, just skip that step, totally fine. Then I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of just pure maple syrup, yum, and I'm just going to stir it up and just make sure that those walnuts are fully coated in this delicious mixture. I'm sure you could add like another seasoning on there as well, but I think keep it simple. You don't have to add any oil or butter or anything like that. So it's a bit healthier because we're not adding like extra butter to it and stuff like that. Not that that wouldn't be good, but this is just a quick, easy, healthy meal preppy version. And now I'm going to air fry this at 300 for 7 to 9 degrees. As you can see, I got out my tripod now finally, as promised. So 300 degrees for 7 to 9 minutes, and we are going to want to flip those halfway. So keep an eye on them because everybody's air fryer can be a little bit different. You don't want these to burn because that would kind of ruin them. So stir them up halfway, and at the halfway point, hang around, keep an eye on them, make sure they're not burning, check on them, and then you're going to want to allow them to cool before you put them on top of anything. So you can throw them on a piece of parchment or a plate or a cooling rack just to cool off a little bit before they are ready to use. But these actually turned out so good, and they were perfect to put on top of this roasted salad meal prep. I hope that you love this recipe. It was so fast and easy and such a great way to enhance your salads because candied nuts just make salads taste so good in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you hit like and subscribe.